Where are we at?
We are in an undisclosed location. We're in the woods.
This is the first time you've seen this on the channel, but we've been working on this for like a good couple months.
I think like since September of 2020 until now.
So this is Lynn's place. This guy. I don't haven't seen this in a while either. Basically fixed up this whole place just to work on that. Basically, but I'm have my car here for winter because it gets rained on. We just have it in our driveway and it gets all wet. But it's gonna be living here for a little bit. And
Sam, you so noisy.
we also have a little project from Sam here.
What you doing, Sam?
Get back into my car.
Sam has bad luck with his car. He just gets hit.
Has been hit how many times now?
You want to talk about
This
it?
is the worst one. I backed into my car, dented the front end,
The hood got bent, the grill got broken.
and apparently the front got shifted because my fender gap is a lot bigger than normal. So, I'm gonna pop that out.
You want to tell him about your pallet story? Or the carpet story?
Oh yeah, those times.
I think he's the only guy that ever get hit by a carpet on the freeway.
He said the carpet came right at him.
Have you seen the ladder before? Yeah.
That too? That new one?
It was just like that.
A ladder?
Aladdin was showing somebody the world, and right into my front grill.
So let's see. I guess it's a good time to talk about my future plan with this car. You can even see it's pretty kind of dark back here. So you haven't seen this car in a while. I've been driving it as is, but recently I found out that the timing chain guide, right,
Yep.
is super low. It's like almost metal to metal. So instead of just replacing that, I'm just gonna rebuild the engine because I always wanted it to be a little more peppy. I like how it is, but since I'm doing a timing chain, I might as well get pistons.
So you want it to be like my car, huh?
It's gonna be better.
Ah.
Pistons, cams, rods, all like lightweight, so it's like super easy to spin and up the compression a bunch.
Dang.
And there's a fat cam.
Dang.
Also, there's this getting aftermarket intake. You guys will see more of that. That's gonna pretty much be the next project after you do your MR2.
Yep. Yeah, let's pop your trunk. See what you got in there.
Collecting parts for a little bit. The old shocks still work. Pretty cool.
It's kind of covered, but clutch, flywheel,
Clutch flywheel, then there's a bunch of
bunch of engine parts like cams, things like that.
Yeah.
You'll all see that later on when we get to it.
Also, you will see this, the 510, be restored pretty much.
So this is Lynn's car, and he wants to put this thing on a rotisserie and fully restore it.
We'll have him talk when he gets back.
Yeah, whenever he gets back, he went somewhere. And also this Integra is also Lynn's.
Oh, look, you're messing with this. It's just...
This thing's just parked here. It's pretty much done.
Oh, look. 5-speed.
Oh yeah?
My car is a 4-speed. So this is a 5-speed transmission.
This is from
a
a
ZX.
280ZX.
Yep. So I finally have 5th gear for highway. It kind of tops out like at 110. I don't know if the 5th gear will help it, but I can definitely cruise at lower RPM.
Yeah, the thing is screaming down the freeway. In
I'm sitting here like at 4,000 RPM on the highway at like 70 miles an hour.
Yeah. Luckily, my Z is already a 5-speed. It's a 78, so they just came standard with that. What else we got here? So this Civic here is Jordan's car. I don't really know what he's doing with it. I know he's painting it, but other than that, I don't really know what he's doing.
Hopefully you've seen that on the channel.
Yeah, you haven't seen it yet. Man, we're about to introduce a bunch of people, huh?
The shop's not done. We're thinking about a lift.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna put a lift somewhere in here. Don't know quite where yet.
I mean, it's pretty decent size. You probably get a couple of them here if you wanted, but
I think one is enough.
speaking of
Hey, Lynn's here
food,
with food.
This is an update.
you can tell them about your 510.
You want to talk about your 510?
Hey, what's up, guys? This is an update on the 510. We really haven't been doing anything other than setting up this shop space. So, plan on taking everything down, hitting the rust, repainting it, and a couple more things.
Reformer?
Reformer. Gotta hit that reformer. But yeah, it's pretty much been sitting like this. Haven't really done anything, still stocking up parts. And yeah.
Okay. So, what kind of engine you want?
That's a very hot topic right now, apparently. There's an engine in mind.
Is an engine in mind. What's it sound like?
I don't know. Actually, never heard of one before. Yeah.
Yeah, so basically this car's just been sitting here because we've been finishing up the shop so we have a place to work on this car. Because, you know, this is going to be a pretty major project. So we got the L20B in here.
Let's use the network cords.
Oh, yeah.
The thing broke, so me being in IT, I had a whole bunch of these at home.
That's fine.
Tie that down.
Hasn't fallen off yet. Yeah, so basically there's like all T3 suspension on it so far. I think we did the front brakes. We replaced this windshield seal just so it wouldn't leak.
What else we do? Oh, the trunk lid.
Oh yeah.
Or the trunk.
So we got this whole panel replaced. Our buddy Sean welded this thing up. He did a really good job though.
Yeah, very, very nice. I have a trunk lid at home. I have a hood at home.
Oh, he also needs a door on this side.
Oh yeah, my door. I tried welding this thing.
So
It's kind of like.
So maybe if anyone has a door, we need it.
What else I need? Anybody want to buy these wheels?
Nacho Libre wheels?
Nacho Libres. 13s, very clean. I keep them clean.
These
They haven't gone anywhere.
These are 14s.
Oh, they're 14s?
Yeah, they're 14s.
Oh, well, shit. Yeah, I mean, this.
Yeah, it's gonna be a whole series on this car.
Oh, and I got a muffler.
Oh yeah.
Thanks to Sean.
Well, a little bit of the same guy.
Nah, he took it to a muffler shop.
Oh.
But
Yeah, it used to be hanging so low and it would just scrape everywhere. I remember when we had like 4 guys in here. Was it 3 or 4 guys? And we took that corner and it rubbed so bad. We felt it through the floor.
well, I mean, like, there's holes in the floor, so.
Yeah, definitely an old car. It smells like an old car.
That's the water and the gas leaking into the car.
Oil.
Yeah.
It's okay. That's normal for a Datsun. So, yeah. So what projects do we have? We got the 5.
I got a fender.
Oh yeah, fenders.
Some fenders.
You want the one with the JDM turn signals?
Yeah, the 69s.
Oh, it's a year thing.
It's a 1 year, apparently.
Oh, so
Or it's like.
they're like slimmer. Cool. Well, I am looking forward to it. Hopefully everyone else is as well. Okay, so I guess the last thing you haven't shown yet is the upstairs. So upstairs is gonna be like a kind of like a lounge area. We got the couches set up here. There will be a TV there someday. Yeah. Probably some part storage up here. Already got one.
Oh, you guys need any specialty tools? Oh, I have the specialty vacuum.
It's a pretty decent sized shed. So I guess that pretty much wraps up the shop walk around.
So stay tuned for my Z build.
So his Z,
510 build.
getting an engine build. The 510 is getting everything.
Everything.
My car, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet.
The Civic.
The Civic, paint job, I guess. Sam,
Something special?
2JZ.
Commuter.
Daily.
I hear you're looking for a commuter car.
Slippery slope build.
Yep. And then the MR2, which I'll finish the engine swap at home, but then I'll bring it here to finish up the paint.
Same color as me.
What else we got?
Matching.
Anybody want to buy a CRV?
You're in Seattle, hit this guy up for a CRV. Mint.
Yeah, I think that's all of the projects we've got so far. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.
Sam found it cool.
See you guys.